How to add font or text on iMovie project. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a text on your iMovie project. Let's get started. First, remember that iMovie app is not available for Android device, so on your iOS device, click on search bar and open iMovie. After that, select the project that you want to add a font to. After that, click on the clip and you'll see different options on the bottom. Click on this T sign. After that, you can see different options here. Just click the one that you like and you'll get a default text. Just click on that text and click on edit. Now type in the text that you want to add. After that, click on done. You can also change the effect of your font by simply scrolling to the right. And this is how you can add font on iMovie. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.